Cucumbers are high in pantothenic acid or vitamin B5, which is used to treat acne. Cucumber has high water content that soothes your skin and keeps it hydrated. It acts as an anti-inflammatory agent and helps in reducing the puffiness of your skin. Also, cucumber toner helps oily skin. The toner helps with shrinking the pores, resulting in lesser oil secretion. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY cucumber water for face. You will need ½ cup of cucumber water. It sweeps deep within your skin due to its high water content while healing your skin. It's a natural toner used daily for a radiant complexion. ½ cup of rose water. It can help to brighten and even out skin tone by reducing redness, inflammation, and irritation. 1 teaspoon of glycerin. It can increase skin hydration, relieve dryness, and refresh the skin surface. Mix these ingredients, add in spray bottle, and daily apply on your face.